Hey guys, welcome to Sonance here, back in our video. So in this video we're gonna discuss a Lithuania HQ style drop. So we'll be including the vocals, the lead in the second part, the slap house bass, the slap house drums, all that kind of stuff. So let's straight dive into it. Let's start the drop with a vocal. I came across this one on Splice.
La 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 la.
Now let's add a few effects with a delay, reverb and low cut, sounding like this. Now we're gonna work on a bass sound. We'll be using this preset from the new pack Sounds of 2020. Now let's write a bass melody. We're working in F minor. That will be the main rhythm. Now let's copy it over and continue with the melody. The melody will sound like this. Now let's mix it with a wave shaper, distortion, camel crusher, and we're gonna make room for the sub bass sounding like this. Now let's add a few other effects with a reverb, stereo shaping, and delay, and sidechain sounding like this. Now let's add a sub bass. We'll be using this preset from the pack. I copied over the MIDI of the main bass. Now we're gonna add a few small effects. Now let's add a few additions to the bass pattern. This will be the first one. We're gonna add it here, sounding like this. This will be the second variation. We're gonna place it here. All together sounding like this. Now let's add the drums. We'll be using these sounds. All together sounding like this. Now let's make the lead of the second part of the drop. Most of the time in this style the lead will follow the melody of the vocal in the first part. So we'll be following this melody. We'll be using this preset. Now let's make the melody. The melody sounds like this. We dropped it an octave in the second part to keep it interesting. Now let's mix it. Now let's add elements to fill up the track some more. We'll be using this preset for the first layer. Just copy over the first notes of the bass melody. We also added these brass tabs. It's quite common in this genre. Pitched in the right key. Sounding like this. Now let's fill it up with some other effect samples. And that's it for the Lithuania HQ style drop. So if you like the video, please leave a like. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And here's the final result.